Okay, next section, 4.23. Graph horizontal or vertical lines. Before we get into this topic, let's review our last week. You know, I mentioned this in your YouTube presentation. Standard form look like this: ax plus by. Your x and y on one side, the other side is a number. For example, standard form could be 3x minus 4y equal 6. This is called the standard form of a line. You can change this into some other form. There's another very popular, very commonly seen the line form called the slope-intercept form. By the definition of this, it's look like this. So a single y on one side. The other side is mx. It's a number before your x plus another number. And the number before your x is called a slope. And the plus a b. B is y-intercept. This number represents y-intercept. This kind of form we'll cover in our next section. In our next section, 4.3, will be in detail for that. But the form will be look like this. So you're seeing the form like the y equal to x minus y, things like that. Any kind of a line form, you can change that, solve y into a form like this. So, okay, this is actually we covered in our last week weekly assignment. You can do that. Okay. Now we want to get into the main topic in this section: graph horizontal line and vertical line. Horizontal line, by the definition, you can see like this or this. All the parallel to the x-axis called the horizontal line. As you can see, they will never cross the x-axis. This is a horizontal line. Vertical line look like this. Vertical line look like this. So any line parallel to the y-axis, it's called the vertical line. Okay. And you can see this there. The line, a vertical line here, never has any y-intercept. So, okay. As you can see, very easy example here. You just cross the -2, so 0, -2 here. How you are going to write this horizontal line? So the horizontal line will be y equal this y-intercept -2. So once you see a line equation, no x component, only y component here, single y equal a number here, we call it the horizontal line. Okay, it's a very unique line. Another one, this is our vertical line, horizontal line. Another will be, this one could be 0, positive 3. So this horizontal line will be y equals 3. Simple example. Another vertical line. This is x-intercept 3, 0 here. X equal 3. So as you can see, no y component. Y part's already 0, which means this is a vertical line. So next time you see a equation like this, no x, no y component, the vertical line, no x components, horizontal line. This is very unique for these two kind of line. So let's get into the example. In our textbook, checkpoint number 7. Checkpoint number 7. This is page number 243. So I want you to graph y equals 3. Y equals 3. No x component here. Y equals 3. So 1, 2, 3. This point 0, 3. Okay? This kind of line, you don't need to build a table or anything like that. Just find your y-intercept, draw a horizontal line. If you want to build a table, what it will look like. Any kind of x value, y will be always 3. So 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, like that. So 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, negative 1, 3. So if you want to build a table, it should be like this, because x can be anything. Y is always 3. This is our example, checkpoint number 7. Next one, we want to do the checkpoint number 8. These are very simple problem here on your textbook exercise. You can see this problem. No x component, this horizontal line. Checkpoint number 8, again, is at textbook page number 243. I'm going to graph x equal negative 2. No y component. X always equal 2. Y can be anything. Vertical line, like this. Okay? When you graph your line on the exam, you need to probably label these 2 points. Label 1 or 2 points. Okay? This point probably negative 2, negative 2. This is a vertical line for this. If you want to build a table, by the way, table is not required. If you want to build a table, how are you gonna write it? Because y can be anything. 0, 1, 2, 3. X is always negative 2, like that. Okay? This part is not required. You need to graph this. Label 1 or 2 points. Okay? Basic minimum requirement for graphing. So this is the end of our section 4.2. Okay?